Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Daily Damage Repair Ultra Nourishing Hair Mask. So as you see in the name, it says Daily Damage Repair. So basically, I've been in a hotel and I've been in the pool and in the chlorine. It's messing up my hair. And I kind of prepped my hair for the chlorine using the OGX Argan Oil Conditioner. And it kind of helped because my hair wasn't as knotted as it usually would be. But yeah, so I'm going to start off on freshly washed hair. And to wash, I use the Resource Curls Hydrating Shampoo. And I use the Resource Curls Deep Conditioner. It's not a deep conditioner though, it's a regular conditioner. So yeah, so basically this deep conditioner says for extremely damaged hair, over processed hair, reverse damage, deeply nourishes, protects against damage, almond milk, aloe butter, shea oil. It says, let's see what else it says. No petroleum, no mineral oil, and no artificial color. And the directions say massage gently into clean, wet hair, giving a little extra love to your frazzled ends. Leave on for 5 to 7 minutes, then rinse well. For an extra deep treatment, put on a shower cap and sit under a hooded dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. This will help the nourishing ingredients get deep into your hair. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving this on until I get home today, which would be like in the afternoon. This is very like weird. Okay, so let's see. So I'm gonna smell it first. It smells like almond. Like that was expected though. Oh, I have really low porosity hair, so like, ooh. Okay, sorry. Now let's feel it. Okay, so it is a bit thick. As you can see, like it's really thick. Let's see. A little more. It's a little thick now. Okay, let's put it all through my hair. I'm gonna be using a lot because I was in the pool and I know my hair is damaged from the chlorine. So yeah, it is. The consistency is like really well, and it's going through my hair. As you can see, look. Alright. It's leaving my hair very shiny. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see. Kind of can't see when my head's turned. But like as you guys can see, the difference from here to here, like this is really dry and like nasty, and like it's really shiny, and my curls are more defined. So yeah. Next side. I'm gonna put more. I feel like you can see that it's there, but like you can't really feel it. Like, I can clearly see that my hair is like whiter in the certain areas, but like I can't feel it. Let's add some water. Oh, by the way, like the lighting is gonna change since I'm in the hotel bathroom, and my bathroom doesn't have that good lighting, so we'll figure it out though. We'll figure it out. Oh my lord. So like I'm coating my hair in this. I honestly don't like the fact that it's leaving my hair white. I feel like my hair should like be absorbing it more, but that could also just be my hair. So hopefully this makes my hair look very smooth after leaving it on for like, honestly I don't even know what time it is. So let's just say it's around 11. So I'll be leaving it on for about 5 hours, approximately, around. Alright, so basically I'll do a little turnaround. I feel like this what makes my hair look like it has the Aztec mask. Oh, the water's still running. I feel like this makes my hair look like it has like the Aztec mask, the Indian Aztec powder thingy, clay mask. I guess you can't really see how coated my hair looks in the video, but it looks really coated. So yeah, just gonna comb my hair back. So this bun's gonna be really small. And I'm just gonna go like that, and go like that, and look at the bun. So, oh, this looks so bad. Whatever. So basically, I'll be back at like 5 hours so I can see how it looks and if it really nourished my hair and moisturized and helped the damage. Alright guys, so I am back. It is about 9 o'clock. So I kept it in longer than I thought I would, but you know, it's whatever. So I'm just gonna show you my results. My results were clearly better when I first took it off because my hair is so low porosity, it's like already dry. I'm just gonna re-wet it. So my hair feels very moisturized, and I feel like even in the driest parts of my hair, I still look moisturized. Ooh, I'm gonna die. And my curls clearly aren't that defined because I don't have any product in it, but I feel like it did the job. It moisturized. It obviously like isn't my best, like the best conditioner, deep conditioner I ever used, just because of the mere fact that when I was putting it on, I didn't feel like I was putting it on, but then at the same time it looked like it was really heavy on my hair. So yeah, now I'm just gonna style it with the Resource Curl Defining Cream. So I'll style it off camera just because that's not what you guys are here to see, and I will post a picture of my results. So yeah.